Guys, I just want to make a quick update on iCenter, the Lite bot that I'm doing. It's basically a robot for Litecoin, so it's reinvesting for you. I've been doing this since March, and to start with, I had one Litecoin. Now I have 51 Litecoins. It's easy to use. Basically, you need the Telegram app and a little bit of Litecoin. You can invest a minimum of 0.1 Litecoin, but I started off with 1 Litecoin, so I'll be a little bit faster. And I signed up people under me, so it went up really quickly for me. I had like 3 people under me so far. But most of it was just one person, and I got up to 51.8 Litecoins right now. Basically, I'm waiting for it to be at 72, because when you hit 72 Litecoins, you can withdraw 1 Litecoin, or you can make 1 Litecoin a day. And once you make that, you can withdraw it, and it's right here. Just click that button, and for instance, you had 1 Litecoin right now, you can make $54 as of today if you had 72 and withdrawing. This is a sure way to make money, but then you have to invest a little bit of money, like Litecoin. But for sure, in time, you will be making money, and it's worth it, guys. Who's gonna give you $54 every day if you had 72 Litecoins? Yeah, so this is just a quick update and to show you where I'm at with the Litecoin iCenter bot. And I'll be putting down my referral link down below, so you could start it on your Android phone or iPhone. As long as you have a smartphone, you can do this, or your desktop. It also works on desktop. So let me know if you need any help to set it up, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. This is absolutely amazing. I mean, Litecoin could either tank down, which we don't want to do, but it could also go up in time. So hopefully this will help you get passive income here in the future. All right, thanks, bye.